This is just the water.
See over there's the green?
Yeah.
It's gonna tell us to stop in a second. Stop. Okay.
First comes water, then the soap.
They're washing the bottom right now, I think. See, it says up there, it says undercarriage and side wash and pre-soak. Remember this?
Mm-hmm.
We just did it a couple times because it was special.
What kind of soap is this?
Car soap.
The kind that burns your finger if you touch it?
It might burn the finger. Mm-hmm.
Isn't the one that this is poisonous?
I don't think it's extra poisonous, honey, but I don't think...
It can be poisonous.
We don't want to get it on us, you're right. Especially also, they're going to put some green stuff on it too, I think.
Yeah, they are. It's almost like ice.
Well, we haven't done this in a while.
Yeah, they're going to put green stuff. That might be actually poisonous.
Well...
You never know.
We don't have to worry about it, that's why we're in the car.
Yeah. I guess they do this 3 times.
Good thing we beat that truck. Because that truck behind us, that is like, he's probably going to have to go 2 times.
Wow.
Because it's so big.
How muddy is it?
Really muddy and really big.
For water.
Uh-huh. Whoa.
It's almost like that's a flood.
Uh-huh. See there, it says pre-soak, second pre-soak, car is soaking. And now it says laser wash.
What's laser wash?
It's whatever it does.
Oh, that's laser
Yeah,
wash.
uh-huh. Look at that.
Yeah, that stuff is big.
Okay, let's see the next one. Clear coat polish. Here comes the clear coat polish. This really didn't get all our dirt off, but we actually really need to scrub this car one day, but that's okay.
Oh, that looks pretty.
Mm-hmm.
With blue and pink.
Clear
and
coat polish is still doing that. I guess it does it all the way around a few times.
Yeah. Your side's really polished. Why does it call it clean polish?
I don't know. Let's see what it's doing now.
Washing.
It says clear coat protectant.
Oh. It's actually pretty polished. Not bad.
It sure does a good job. I don't know how it tells where we are. Maybe it's but it sure does know. Spot-free rinse.
It's got like everything off now.
It sure does.
Before they didn't do the polish. Clean. Last time they didn't put
I think they added things.
Yeah, like clean.
Uh-huh. I think actually I don't remember it having all I don't think it had all this last time.
No, it didn't.
I think it's new.
Yeah, it didn't have clean polish.
Remember it was broken for a long time?
Oh yeah.
I think they put new stuff on it.
Yeah. So it could work much better.
Oh, laser dry.
Why do they call it laser?
I think because what we do now is we pull forward. See, look, it has big fans.
Yeah.
Or like a hair dryer. Okay. Okay, you'll have to get in the back now.